A societal concern to Marshall is recyclables going to the trash, which ends up in the landfills. Landfills are a system of trash and garbage disposals in which the waste is buried between layers of earth to build up low-lying land, or in other words, a place to dispose. Our trash is a societal concern because students/teachers throw away their recyclables in the trash. This is a problem here at Marshall. While we are throwing away our recyclables in the trash, which goes to the landfills, we can recycle it and reuse it again. The EPA estimates that 75% of the American waste stream is recyclable, but we only recycle about 30% of it. Also, Americans throw away about 28 billion bottles and jars every year. The average person generates over 4 pounds of trash every day and about 1.5 tons of solid waste per year. We need students to change one small thing so it can change something big.
Once again, our trash is a societal concern because we are throwing away our recyclables in the trash. The real question here is, what's causing this? Well, there's no recycling bins around campus. Also, a few amount of students get lazy to save their recyclables and throw it inside classrooms, which have recycling bins. The students who participated in the mobilizing campaign recorded their trash on a daily basis. Our situation is the amount of recyclables in the trash. Out of 269 trash that were thrown, only 21 pieces of trash that were recyclables. That's only 7.8% of recyclables in the trash. It sounds like a little bit, but if you're able to get all the students in the school to participate, the percentage will go higher. What we learned is that 7.8% of 269 was the amount of recyclables that were thrown to the trash at school using the mobilizing app. Also, 55% of the recyclables get buried in the landfills, 33% gets recycled, and 12.5% goes to the incinerator. Lastly, 31% of the recyclables that go to the landfill is paper, 13% are food scraps, 12% is plastic, and the rest are recyclables. The way we visualize it is that we can encourage students to recycle more rather than throwing it out in the trash, which goes to the landfill. We can also ask campus news to introduce our project. Finally, we can post up our slogan around the school to get teachers and especially students to do what's right.
So is there a solution? Well, of course there is. Our solution is to have recycling bins all around campus. How do we know it'll work? Well, there are recycling bins around campus, which causes most students to throw away their recyclables to the nearest trash bin. This will help students know what goes to the right place. It will reduce the amount of recyclables that goes to the trash. Finally, it can motivate other schools to do the exact same thing if that's a societal concern to them. So all we have to do is to not trash the future, recycle it.
Don't trash the future, recycle it.
Don't trash our future, recycle it.
Don't trash your future, recycle it.